right here on this ground where we are standing, holding dreams with open hands against the sky. So clear, it's better than we planned it. This rising sun was meant for you and I. We see it now, the story comes together. Beauty lives in every chapter. We feel it now, nothing could be better. You
We are in a beautiful park, Sea Cow Head Lighthouse, right behind me, if you can see. So we decided today to come down here and have a look. This is only 10 kilometers away from our house, but when you, as the crow flies, I should say, and around 24 kilometers driving. So it's a beautiful lighthouse, and yeah, gonna see if we can get some drone footage done for this. Yay! Yeah, can't beat that. Look at that. Just stunning. And the wind is so I'm not complaining. Gonna see what we can do. And let me turn the camera around. Let me show you what's on the other side.
right here on this ground where we are standing, holding dreams with open hands against the sky. So clear, it's better than we planned it. This rising sun was meant for you and I. We see it now, the story comes together. Beauty lives in every chapter. We feel it now, nothing could be better. You and me, chasing down forever after. This truth, these words that we have spoken, giving purpose to the hope that we have found. There's proof in the days that lay before us, finding meaning in these moments playing out. We see it now, the story comes together. Beauty lives in every chapter. We feel it now, nothing could be better. You and me, chasing down forever after. The story comes together. Beauty lives in every chapter. We feel it now, and nothing could be better. You and me, chasing down forever after. Forever after. Chasing down forever after.
Sun is a little bit behind me, so I have to do it this way. But this was the Sea Cow Head Park or Lighthouse. So beautiful lighthouse, beautiful scenery, the coastline just stunning. Wasn't too windy, which was great. Good to fly some drones without being blown around too much. So very happy, and the pictures have turned out amazing. Now we're heading down to Borden-Carleton and want to show that off a little bit. There's a lot of things are still closed, but they're starting to open some restaurants and some places. And then we can also see if we can get some close-up shots of the Confederation Bridge. Usually you're not allowed to film or fly drones, holy moly, around the bridge, or at least not over it. So we're going to avoid that for sure. But from the distance, I think we can take some nice shots and showcase that as well. So let's go. See you there. As you can see, it is a small town and it's quite quiet right now. It's for tourists mainly in the summer. There's a lot of tourism going on, but yeah, it's been pretty dead since COVID hit. not mall, but these are restaurants, shops, Subway, you name it. And we're gonna try to go in the Lone Oak. They are open, we can park here. I'm gonna have something to eat there, so we'll figure out what they're offered today. Well, this was it for this week's video, so thank you for watching it all the way through, and I hope you enjoyed it. That's how we live in Canada. Canadian life. See you next week.